Hi, Jen Sady here with Rovithis Realty. Welcome to my newest listing here at 21 Glen Lane in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. Let's go inside to take a look at this beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour of 21 Glen Lane in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this home or any other property, or if you wanted to ask how you could go about listing your home or buying one, please call me. I'm so happy to help you. My number is below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe that who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you.